So we're gonna start our Glen Canyon Park tour here at the Glen Park neighborhood. Across the street is the Glen Park BART station. Right now we're at the corner of Diamond and Bosworth. I can't see the street sign right now. Look at this garage door here. Interesting. Okay, we are now approaching Glen Canyon Park. What time is it now? Don't know. It's a very sunny day right now. Okay. Coyote alert. Tennis courts. Looks like someone is playing in here. Let's take a peek if we can. Without disturbing them. Ooh. Children enjoying themselves at the playground. Let's visit. Hello. Looks like there's a birthday party here. Now this is something very unique. I don't think I have seen before. This is a very unique sculpture or artwork. These are reclaimed redwood logs. You see that there are burns on them, and there is a solar lens that focuses the sun's ray onto the wood. And as the earth turns, solar lens will focus the sun's energy, make a burn on the log. Over time, you will see where the highest intensity of the sun, and then where there are lighter intensity, that means that the sun is blocked by fog or other events. Here's another log, the middle log, facing a different direction. So here are the three logs side by side. Now here's a little bit of history of Glen Canyon Park. You may not be able to read all of this, but this started in the early 1690s to 1840s. This was part of the Mexican colonization governance of California, and Glen Canyon Park as it is today was part of the Rancho San Miguel cattle raising estates. Then in the 1850s, Adolf Sutro, he bought the land and built a dynamite company here. And then in the 1880s to 1920s, the Crocker Real Estate Company bought the land and built an amusement park here to attract home buyers in the neighborhood. Then in the 1930s to the 1950s, the O'Shaughnessy Boulevard was built over the canyon on the western side. Then in the 50s and 60s, there was a plan to build a 4-lane freeway through the park but this was saved by a group of ladies. They were nicknamed Gumtree Girls, and thanks to them, the park remains. Midway through the Glen Canyon Park is the Craig's Court Community Garden. Let's take a walk through. We are now at Christopher Park, atop of Diamond Heights. We are now at Burnside and Paradise, a short walk from Glen Canyon Park. Across the street there is the mural, so let's go visit there for a moment. Let's take a look close up. designed and painted by Elaine Chu and Marina Perez Wong. Assisted by Pablo Ruiz Arroyo and Amy Kohler. So now we are atop of Burnside Murals. These are the stairs leading to the bottom. Let's take a look at the view. And this is Bosworth Street.